Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to calculate matrix multiplication by using normal method and Strasson's matrix multiplication method. So suppose this is the first matrix and the order of matrix is 2 into 2, that is 2 rows and 2 columns. So the first row is A11 and A12 and the second row is A21 and A22. And suppose this is the second matrix, that is B11, B12, B21 and B22, and the order of matrix is also 2 into 2. So the resultant matrix multiplication will be of order 2 into 2, that is the first row is C11 and C12 and the second row is C21 and C22. So now we will take the values and we will see how to calculate matrix multiplication. So suppose this is the first matrix. So here A11 will be 1, A12 will be 2, A21 is 5 and A22 is 6. And suppose this is the second matrix. So here B11 is 8, B12 is 7, B21 is 1 and B22 is 2. So first we will try to solve by using normal matrix multiplication. So we already know the formula for C11, C12, C21 and C22. So this is the formula for C11, that is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B22. 21. So as per mathematical rule, first we have to solve brackets and then the other operators. So first we will just replace the values. So 1 into 8, that is 8, and 2 into 1, that is 2. So 8 plus 2 is what? 10. So C11 will be 10. Next C12, so this is the formula. So just replace the values. So 1 into 7 is 7 and 2 into 2 is what? 4. So 7 plus 4, that is 11. So C12 will be 11. Next C21. So this is the formula for C21. So just replace the values. So 5 into 8 is what? 40 and 6 into 1 is what? 6. So 40 plus 6, that is 46. So C21 is 46. So this is the formula for C22. Just replace the values. So 5 into 7 is what? 35 and 6 into 2 is what? 12. So 35 plus 12 is what? 47. So C22 will be 47. So in this way we can calculate matrix multiplication by using normal method. So this is the resultant matrix where first row is 10 and 11 and the second row is 46 and 47. So we can solve matrix multiplication by using Strasson's method also. So the resultant matrix will be the same for this particular values. So now we will see how to calculate by using Strasson's method. So we already know the formulas of Strasson's method. So first we have to calculate the value of P, Q, R, S, T and U and V. So first we will calculate the value of P. So this is the formula for P, A11 plus A22 into B11 plus B22. So first we will solve the brackets and then these two values will be multiplied. So 1 plus 6, that is 7 and 2 plus 8, that is 10. So 7 into 10, that is 70. So P value will be what? 70. Now we will calculate the value of Q. So this is the formula. So here also first we will calculate A21 plus A22, and that result will be multiplied with B11. So we will replace the values. So 5 plus 6 is what? 11, and 11 into 8 is what? 88. So Q value will be 88. Next we will try to calculate the value of R. So A11 into B12 minus B22. So we will just replace the values. So 7 minus 2 is what? 5, and 5 into 1 is 5. So R will be 5. The next formula is for S. So just replace the values. So 1 minus 8 is what? Minus 7. So minus 7 into 6, that is minus 42. So S value will be minus 42. Next we will solve for T. Just replace the values. So 1 plus 2, that is 3, and 3 into 2 is what? 6. So T will be 6. Next solve for the U. So just replace the values. So 5 minus 1 is what? 4, and 8 plus 7 is what? 15. So 4 into 15 is what? 60. So U will be 60. Next calculate the value for V. So just replace the values. So 2 minus 6 is what? Minus 4, and 1 plus 2 is what? 3. So minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. So V will be minus 12. So now we have got the values of P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. So by using these values we can calculate C11, C12, C21 and C22. So to calculate C11, C12, C21 and C22, there are formulas. So C11 is what? P plus S minus T plus V. So just we will replace the values because we already know the values of P, S, T and V. So 70 minus 42 minus 6 minus 12. So C11 will be what? 10. Next the formula for C12 is what? R plus T. So just replace the values. So 5 plus 6 is what? 11. So C12 will be what? 11. Next we will calculate for the C21. So the formula is Q plus S. So the values are 88 minus 42. So the result is 46. And the last value, that is C22. So just replace the values. That is 70 plus 5 minus 88 plus 60. And the result will be 47. So you can see, even by using Strasson's matrix multiplication, the resultant matrix is same. So in this way we can calculate matrix multiplication by using Strasson's matrix multiplication method.